Just got finished installing 13-inch POW. I don't know the model number. In the Dodge Magnum at the Quotec wireless charger also up there on the dash. Not completely finished. Also installed some visor monitors. Got one there. We'll have to mount this one here. Also received one that was defective, fresh out the box. That's what it looks like. It's Rockville. I've dealt with Rockville for a while. Rockville got good products, but unfortunately this one it came to me damaged, so hopefully they replace it. So I'm gonna mount it. Probably put a piece of wood behind the headliner, drill up into it, put the original clips here on each side. That way it looks a little cleaner to install. Also, I installed a backup camera. As you can see, the screen, I'll switch from that screen to the backup camera. I have to adjust the height, the sensor height or whatever. I've also put TV headrest monitors in here. These are from Extrons. Two of them. 9-inch. I also have a 22-inch drop down screen that I installed. 22-inch. I'm gonna go to the back so you guys can see it. It's kind of big as hell sitting in that back seat. I do all this myself. You know, there's no better doing this yourself than having someone do it for you and charge your goddamn arm and leg for it. You know, 312 Kenwood Champion Series back here. That's the backup camera. And no, it did not come. No, that's not the Boyo. It did not come installed on the plate. That's a different license plate. That's a POW backup camera. Once again, I do not know the model number, but yeah, I mean, it's just start my own garage, killing it out here. Also, another thing that I want to show everybody is I have this MyGiga box. It's MyGiga there on the ground. I have that in here to run Android. It's my Black & Decker power inverter. Turn that on, switch over to AV, and now you're running Android. You know, I mean, I experiment a lot on different things, and that's what I ended up coming up with. I also have it back here hooked up on my head monitors, my 22-inch screen. Yeah, I did it myself. It's easy. Anybody want to get these type of installs done can hit me up, 419-973-6228. I do this type of work. I'm very good at it. Quality is what you want, then quality is what you get. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Breezy Baby, signing out.